Hello, my name is Gage Jones, and if you're new to the channel, I am a student at Gull Lake Community Schools, and today we are working in PC Building Simulator. We're going to first go into career mode, and we're going to check our email for the first time of the day. Alright, so let's go check our email first. And now we have a few emails to check. We're just going to discard these ones first, since we don't need them. And then actually I have some computers right here, so we're going to start with these. We're going to take this to my desk. So this one, it'll tell you in the right corner of your screen what to do. So in this one, we're going to be upgrading graphics card and their RAM and cleaning out the dust. And we can check that in our email by going here, and it's right here. So we're going to start by cleaning out all of the dust because it's very dusty and it's annoying. So and we came up here too, don't want to forget any spots, and we're all done. Now we're going to remove the graphics card since they don't like their graphics card. So we're going to get rid of this. And now we're going to take out the graphics card and we're going to put in a brand new one. And we also need to figure out what one is new. So, and which one I just took out. So we just took out. Alright, so. And most of the time they don't like used parts. Maybe this one is a good one? I'm not sure. I don't think, but yeah, no, it isn't. Didn't think so. So we're just gonna remove this and figure out what does it tell me what he originally had in it. No. Well, let's start reading the email first. Hi, are you available for a job? My computer is so slow. I think my graphic card needs upgrading. I'm at 16 gigabytes of memory. There's not much air coming out of the back. Could it be blocked? My brother has Team Group in his PC. He says they're the best. I was on PC Bay the other day and saw some awesome plastic white cables. Many thanks, Desmond. So, it looks like he wants 16 gigabytes, but he doesn't, and he says a specific brand, which is Team Group. So, let's see if we have that. Check for a virus since he says it's been running slow, because sometimes you want to pay attention to the context clues. Oh, I did not mean to do that. And we're just going to go here and get the USB drive. Put it right here. Add new programs, and we're going to add our virus scanner. And it's going to download. And then I'll be back when it's done. Now we are restarting our computer so that way it'll finish downloading. I didn't mean to turn it off. So it's done. Just gonna start scanning. I hope no problems. Must have just been a graphics card then. And then we're going to take this and put it back in our bay. And we're just going to go to our email. And that seems, oh wait, there's one more thing he wants. So we're just going to pick it back up and we're going to do one more thing for him. So we're going to take off the case. And this is where the context clues are important. So right now he wants black cable, well, white cables instead of black cables. So just remove every cable and replace it. Including these ones. These are the ones. And After we remove all of this, just put in our white cables and then we should be done. I'm gonna try and remove this one, it's very tiny. And now we are going to we're going to install cables and we're going to do a white one. We're just going to do this one. Yeah. And hopefully everything will look better. Some won't turn white just because they have to come into a different one, but some of them will. Install this, like that one you can't make white, but most other ones you can. Up here needs to go here, and this one needs to go down here. And that should be it. Oh wait, no, we have two more. Gotta be careful, you gotta make sure you got every single one. They're going to connect all of the cables. Test it one more time. Because every time you make a change on the inside, you have to boot it up to test it. Now we're done. And now that we are finished, and the case is and we forgot one part the first time anyway, and we need this PCI lock. And that's it. Now we just put it in our delivery area and we can click the money. Yep. There we go, 5-star. And now we are less in debt and we can just discard this. And thank you for watching part 1 of this series, and